Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to log out of Flexjob. Flexjob is an online job marketplace that focuses on legitimate, remote and flexible work opportunities. Unlike other job sites, every job on Flexjob is hand-screened to make sure it's real, safe and scam-free. You can find full-time, part-time, freelance and flexible schedule positions across industries like marketing, writing, IT, education and more. And Flexjob gives you a safe and organized way to explore opportunities. In the next segment, I'll show you exactly how to log out safely after using Flexjob. So first, what you can do is you need to open to this interface of a web browser. You can choose your Opera or Safari. As I'm going to select this Google Chrome, and after you reach into this interface in the top, you can see there's a search bar. Type down flexjobs.com and enter it. And over here, when you reach into this interface, you can see there's your profile icon in the top right corner. Select to this. Over here, what you can do is select to this logout, and that is it. Logging out of Flexjob takes just a few seconds, keeping your personal information and job application safe. Always remember to log out if you're not using account to protect your data. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to log out of Flexjob. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any confusion or trouble logging out of Flexjob, you can simply comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.